talk with a lot of students, and the high school students, and one thing that they continually say is, can you please help our parents understand?
We talk a lot about stigma. It's a word that we use a lot related to mental health. But I want to challenge you to really see it as what it really is, which is shame. Shame says there's something wrong with me. As a parent, I very much thought that I had failed as a parent.
Powerful conversation last night at our Save Our Students event in Round Rock. We looked at safety and wellness solutions across Central Texas and really beyond. We've done more than 30 stories over the past 10 days on this topic. One thing we heard a lot is the focus can't just be on students and teachers, right? It also has to be about educating us, parents. And this morning, we are joined by Dr. Bruce Gearing of Leander ISD, newly hired superintendent at Leander ISD, coming from not too far away from Dripping Springs. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure having you. Congratulations on your new job.
Thank you very much.
I know you don't officially start till next week, but let's start this conversation with what you learned at Dripping Springs ISD when it comes to mental health and educating parents about it, and what you may want to bring to Leander ISD.
Thank you. Yes, in Dripping Springs, we realized very quickly that mental health for our students particularly is absolutely a need and an issue that we have to address and have to take seriously. Sometimes people think that in highly affluent school districts that the kids are fine and everything's going to be okay, but they're under a lot of stress for a lot of different reasons, and so we really take that seriously. We put together a mental health task force of concerned internal stakeholders, and we've just started now expanding that to include some external stakeholders to really address this problem head on. We've been very fortunate to be able to partner with lots of other entities in our community. Some of the faith-based entities in our community have joined us in this because it really is a community-wide problem. It's not just our students, but it's also their parents and their families. And we have to really address those issues very carefully.
Do you find that sometimes it's hard to address those issues when you have some parents who maybe might not be as involved with this as other parents? How do you make sure that you get them to listen when they have so many things that they're juggling, working parents, other kids, etc.?
What we've realized is that parents really are giving us their most precious resource, and they may not have the ability to deal with some of the challenges that they face as families. But when you really put it to them in terms of we can help and we can serve your student and help you as a family to do things better, then generally we find that they are receptive.
Right, let them know that this is a community behind you. You're not in it by yourself.
Absolutely.
That matters. Leander ISD, Dripping Springs ISD, what were some of the challenges that you thought, I need to tackle first at Leander ISD when you were interviewing for this job?
Well, growth, of course, is absolutely forefront on our minds, and so that's going to be a significant challenge. For me, there's a leap from being a 7,000 school district, student school district superintendent to being a 42,000 student superintendent, and so that's going to be a learning curve for me. I'm very excited about the opportunities that are ahead. Leander ISD is a fantastic school district, a very high-performing school district, and we intend to take that to the next level.
And we have a little bit of breaking news, too, that I just learned not too long ago, that you are a finalist for one of the top 5 superintendents of the year here in Texas. That has to be a good feeling.
It is, but there's an incredible number of really talented school administrators in the state of Texas who are doing a phenomenal job of serving the 5.4 million students that come to us every day.
Wow. When you hear about our conversation of saving our students, are there things that you want to incorporate at Leander ISD to make sure you get the conversation to continue there?
Absolutely. I think there's a huge connection between the social emotional learning of all of our children with the crisis intervention that we have to do in certain cases. And so we have to make sure that that continuum of services exists from the base of everyday classrooms and teachers that are interacting with all our kids every day, all the way up to those really severe crises where we have to get outside professional help.
Okay, well, we appreciate you being here. Best of luck on the first day of school for you next week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Gearing. Our conversation will continue online with 6 other Central Texas superintendents. Alyssa Gord is going to ask Dr. Gearing more of your questions, focusing on students' mental health. Continue that conversation on our website and KXAN's Facebook page. Plus, online now, explore our digital project, Save Our Students, Solutions for Wellness and Safety. See why we are taking a closer look at this important topic, stories from across the nation. with the school workers on the front line, interactive analysis of what's happening with mental health in your children, plus community outreach and resources to get help for your family. It's all online right now at saveourstudents.com.
All right,